Okay, the purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to incorporate a sewage pump in a basement of a traditional style house. First, I'm going to draw some walls to represent the first story of the house, and this is just going to be a simple little house with 2 bathrooms. Okay, and that's the first story. I'll go ahead and place a few fixtures in the house. We'll put a toilet here, and lavatory, and a tub. Now I'm going to outline the basement area, so I'll switch back down to floor level 0. And I'll go ahead and put some walls down here that will represent the basement. And we'll do a little bathroom down here. With a toilet and a lavatory. And let's say we want a shower down here. So first I'm going to go back upstairs and do the drain for the first floor. So I'll click on DWV and I'll go ahead and bring in my building drain. Set it at 18 inches below the floor. Click OK. I'm going to connect my fixtures. Let's see, I don't necessarily want that arrangement, so I'll do that. And there's the first story, all plumbed up and ready to go. Now I'm going to branch off of that building drain, and I'm going to drop a pipe down one of the basement walls. So I'll just add a wall right here. And so I'll select DWV, and I want this to be a 2-inch pipe because it's going to receive the output from the sump pump. So I'll just drag that 2-inch pipe over in this direction. And then I'll go to side view, and I'm going to draw a vertical pipe all the way down under the basement floor. And I might not want it quite that deep. Now I'm going to switch to the front view, and I'm going to draw a horizontal pipe off of that over toward the bathroom. Now at this point I want to create a sump pump or a sewage pump. So if I don't already have one in my list, I'll have to go to Lists, Fixtures, and click on the Accessories icon. And I'm going to add a new accessory called a pump. And in order to control the size of the pump, I'm going to set the width property to the diameter of the sump pump, which in this case will be 18 inches. Click OK and close it. Now when I right-click DWV accessories, I will have that pump in my list. Click OK. And now I'm going to select where I want to place that pump in the basement, which will be on the lateral that I brought down from the upper floor. So the output of the pump is 2 inch. The input of the pump, or the input into the sump pump, can be larger than 2 inch. So I'm going to increase the size of it to 3 to receive the waste from the bathroom. So going back to plan view, I'm going to adjust the position of the toilet slightly to line up with the pipe beneath the toilet. Now I'm going to connect a drain pipe from the toilet straight down to the inlet of the sump pump. There's a dialog box that opens asking me if I want QuickPlumb to automatically align the fixture with the pipe, and I'm going to select yes. And now I go back to plan view and I can connect the rest of my fixtures. So I'm going to run a 2 inch over to the shower. And another 2 inch over to the lavatory. And there it is. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at the 3D view of that arrangement. And there it is. There's our drainage going into the sump pump, and then the coming out of the sump pump and up into the building drain. Of course, you'll want to add whatever accessories you need on that, such as check valves or shut-off valves. Let's get a better look at that. Real quick, I'll go ahead and add a check valve. We'll go back to the front view, and I'll go ahead and select another DWV accessory. I've got to change the fixture code. Each accessory should have a unique fixture code. And now we'll go ahead and place a check valve after the pump, which is very important. So to do that, I'll just right-click accessories, select my valve, click OK. Now I'm going to want to place that probably down in the basement, so I'll have to go back. Well, let's see, I can put it in the floor right here. So let's take a look at the front view. Yep, there it is. And let's go ahead and get a 3D view of that. And there we go. Have the pump and the check valve. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.